Okay, so I had this setup before on my trailer, and I wanted to go to do something else, so it's a quick release like that trailer. So I had to redo it. Went out and got a different spring. Need to drill one more hole in here. Custom made this one. Fits in there perfectly. Let me just try it out. Yep, fits perfectly. So I just gotta drill another hole in here, and hopefully it'll attach easier. This plastic piece was with it. Just had to modify it a little bit. Okay, I got that nut and bolt in there now. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or make a new one. And drill one more hole in there where the pin goes through. And it should be the same. So this is the other carrier we have. This is the one for the lock pin. That's what I'm trying to duplicate. It's just a lot easier to put it in. But that's just for my wagon right here that I made. It used to be a kid carrier, but it was in rough shape, so I just tore it down. Put sides on it. Works pretty good. Didn't work exactly how I planned it to work. Might have to go with a stiffer spring and move this thing further in. Oh, try it again. Alright, now I got a heavier duty spring. It's hard to say. And it doesn't fit in there. I have to redo it. Oh, there's my finished product. Let's try it out. Oh, perfectly. Should do. Oh, there it is. Fits in there perfectly snug. Wrapped it from rusting. What do you guys think? My homemade trailer hitch. I think it worked pretty good.